Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by powering the launch key and confirming your DAW recognizes it. Connect the USB cable and allow bus power. Once connected, open your DAW's MIDI preferences and choose launch key for input and output. Make sure track and remote, or control surface, are enabled so keys and pads send notes and CCs. If you have the launch key control app, use it to map channels quickly. Otherwise, use your DAW's automatic control mapping. This gets you from plugged in to act. Now you'll define what each control does so performance and production flow. Use the mode buttons to toggle DAW control, notes, and session modes. Once in notes mode, adjust octave or transpose to reach the instrument range you need. Engage scale or mini mode to constrain notes if you want safer playing. For knobs and faders, enter your DAW's learn or mapping mode and move a control to assign it to a plugin parameter. Once mapped, save the template or snapshot so you don't repeat this step. Finish by integrating pads and transport so your workflow is complete. Assign pads to drum kits or use session mode to launch clips. Tweak pad velocity curve and preferences for expressive hits. Use transport buttons for play, stop, record, and map punch-in or loop controls to speed recording. If something goes wrong, power cycle the launch key, reopen your DAW, reselect it in MIDI devices and reapply mappings. If problems persist, update launch key firmware or reinstall the control driver. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.